Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you see my face. At this point, I don't even know if you have seen a video welcome from me yet. It's been my intention, and now I'm finally here. So, first, I wanted to say that I'm thinking about you guys. I know we are all over the state, and everyone in the state has been impacted, but some more than others. And I'm reading and seeing your frantic emails, and I understand the crisis that you're in right now. I sent an email last week. I'm flexible. I've done an extension, a 1 week extension on those assignments. So just get in there when you can and get those done. If I don't reply directly, it's because I'm getting a lot of those emails. I'm just trying to be efficient and let you all know in one shot that I am flexible on those dates. So don't let that be that one extra thing that stresses you right now. Focus on getting your house back in order, getting things settled, and then you can catch up. We can work together on this. So don't let that stress you over the next few weeks as you're getting back to life and normal and what some new normal if you have to. So I'm not a monster. I'm not here to try to crucify you and make your life the opposite of heaven this semester, although I understand there's a lot of work in this course. So that's point number 2. You're at the point now where you're really starting to feel the weight of all that's required in this course. It is set up that way because it's a 4-credit course. So you're probably spending 15 hours plus a week on this course. There are a lot of assignments. There's a lot of reading. There's a lot that goes into understanding and becoming a master in health assessment. So the workload is by design. This is a really important course for you and probably one of the few clinical sort of courses. So there's just a lot more to work through. A lot of it is just technical stuff. So as you're learning to find and do these case studies and just doing screenshots along the way and evolve, you're mastering the technology that's going to help you cruise through the rest of the semester. So part of your angst right now is that there's been a lot to figure out. That's okay. That's normal. That's where you're supposed to be. You're exactly in the right place. So keep chugging along. We've got our first discussion board or discussion board 3 this week. Your first post is due by Thursday at noon. And let me double check to see what else is going on in this particular week. Discussion board 3, there's some videos to watch. So grab your APA book and look for how to cite a video, how to cite a documentary, and then any other articles that you pull into your discussion. Those citations and references are important. So your discussion boards in this course are like little mini papers, and they are a little time consuming when you do it the right way. So just be prepared for that piece of it. Please don't attach anything, like do it in a Word document and then try to attach it to the discussion board thread. It's not really a forum when you have to go and click and open all these different things. You want your classmates to be able to just open your post and see what you posted there. So copy and paste it from Word into the discussion forum itself. And it's about nutrition, and those are going to be some really fun. I always see some really good insights on what's going on in the world with nutrition, especially conversations around paleo and some of the newer fad diets, what that means to people with chronic disease, and like me personally, and listen to the whole conversation about the ketogenic diet, what that means for diabetes and long-term management of diabetes. There is research and sound science out there to support it, but like with any research, it's guided by the question and the person that analyzes the data. So hope you'll start sorting through what that means, because you are having these nutrition conversations with your patients, and I want you to be well informed. So I think that's it for now. That's your biggest assignment. I'm double checking here. Yeah, you've got a few options of Netflix films. If you don't have Netflix, there are some things that you can watch on YouTube. And then the discussion board questions are posted there. And then your rubric for grading a discussion forum is on the main page. I also this week added in a student room. So if you guys are out there and you just want to talk to another student and make sure that this is not all in your head, like this is the struggle that you're going through is not isolated, Sometimes it just helps to be able to vent to another student. So I've created a separate forum just for you to go in there and post questions. It may be, hey, I live in the Wilmington area. Is anybody else in Wilmington? I'd like to connect with you. Maybe you guys can meet up and have coffee. I think that adds a nice layer to being an online student, that you really start to get to make connections, and know that you have Zoom available as well. So you can do Zoom chats with your classmates with a free Zoom account. I think that's it. I'm trying to keep up with the Ask the Instructor, Ask the Faculty forum. Some of the questions have been posted in multiple places, and including by email. So if I get an email, I try to answer it in the forum, because there's other classmates that have that same question. I promise you, you should see my inbox. So I think that's it for now. Look forward to reading your post about the nutrition and the documentaries that are going on, that are posted in the forum or in the folder. And have a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and start to delegate if you need to. I know this is overwhelming, so delegate what you can so that you can focus your brain space to being a student. Take care.